Hello everyone, welcome to RC Driven. My name is Dawit and today we're going to be working on converting a Toyota Supra, one of the 4-TECs, to a C8 Corvette. Since we know they've discontinued this model, so in order to do that, you're going to need the front bumper 9320. You're going to need the chassis 8325, because the Corvette chassis is a bit longer, and the drive shafts, which is 9355, and the battery strap down 8326, and I'm definitely including these lights 9380, and obviously the body, which is 9311T. T, I believe, is for the silver one. That's all you need to make your Supra into Corvette. So now we start the disassembly process. So I don't think I'll be touching anything regarding the rear or anything else as far as the arms or so. That stays the same. The only thing I'm changing here is the chassis and basically the front end. I actually got this car at a swap meet. See, that's it. The rear is out. Take the chassis and you just kind of slide it in place. That's it. See, just slide it in place. Boom. That's it. Then you put the screws on. Those two screws here, I thought they were part of the chassis, but they're not. So literally all you have to take out is 1, 2, 3, and the fourth one here. 4 screws and this thing comes out. So now let's take out the motor. Slides right out. There we go. Motor is out. Okay. Stuff is moving. There we go. Now I can take the ESC up. Loosen the nuts. And moving. There we go. That's it. And in order to remove this, you kind of have to push it forward. Push forward and then take this pin off. And then this slides off. And that's it. There's nothing here I need. So the rest can stay. We can start with putting the ESC down. Once it's through, boom, boom. There we go. Snapped in place. Now this doesn't go anywhere. I made a mistake here, but it's a quick fix. So I thought I could slide it in, but you can't. So it's actually easier if you just have the chassis. You take the drive shaft, you drop the drive shaft in, and you first put on the drive shaft. So now once you have this, you can then comfortably put this through. Oh, I'm sorry. Make sure you rotate the drive until it slides in place like that. Put back these 3 screws. So the rear is pretty much done. Slide in the drive shaft. Oh wow, well that was easy. So this foam here, this is the piece that all comes in this front end kit here, 9320. So all you do is just put this here, put the foam first, then this piece drops on top of it. This is all together now. That's it. It's just these 4 screws here. Take those 3 screws I just took out, and then one here, and this should pop right out. There you go. Slides right in place like that. And that's it. And then you just put back the screws you took out. Initially, I was going to keep the Supra wheels on there, but I think it'll only be right to actually put the C8 wheels. And these are the C8 wheels. The front is the 9370 and the rear is the 9371. That's pretty much it. This car is done. It's been a couple of weeks now since I started this project. I mean, even though I finished the assembly, everything was done, I didn't get a chance to take it out. I just left it on my shelf for some time. But I finally took it out this past weekend. I took some shots of the car driving up and down here and there. She's no speed demon, I'll tell you that right now. I built this car to be basically a shelf queen. Traxxas have discontinued this model, and I wanted one, and I thought maybe they would re-release them like they did with the Supra, but I don't know if they are. I don't know if there's any plans for them to do so. So I couldn't wait any longer, so I went ahead and built my own. So yeah, so this is it. The car's done. That's the engine light that you're seeing like that. I should have just put one bulb. One bulb would have been more than enough. But I put a white light for to show the engine. And then the rear lights, it only comes with like 4 bulbs. The kit only comes with 4 bulbs. I put a whole lot more than that, which I did. I don't remember exactly what the light bulb was. So that's what mine looks like. Not the cleanest job, I'll be honest. But it doesn't get in the way of anything. Front part, that's how the light kit comes. The rear, it's 2 per side, and I included 4 per side. I added to the light kit, so I give more rear lights. So let me show you what it looks like with the lights off. That's how the rear is. Look of the engine bay, a view from up top. I definitely enjoyed this build. Hope you guys liked this video. Thank you for watching, and I just want to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving, and I'll see you guys in the next video.